to the video. Today I have Alex with me.
Hello.
It's actually his first time on the channel. So we are out in our yard right now. There's a house back there, as you can see.
Not our, yours.
My house. So we're in the woods right now, and we actually found this. It was a really long time ago. Not a pretty long time, like 2 months ago. All right. So we found this thing. It's like basically a waterfall. So
Yeah. There's
this little tiny pond right there, and then back here there's actually a bigger pond. It goes on a lot further in that direction, and right here there's a waterfall, actually, a small little running waterfall. But the thing we've been questioning is, why is it calm over here? It's just still, but all of a sudden inside of here it just goes really fast. Now I think I have the answer to this, and I am assuming that it is because of it goes down steep kind of under there. So that's what I think.
I'm standing on this little bridge out of wood.
Yeah.
That was kind of here. We
Yeah.
moved it around. We located it a tiny bit.
Yeah. So
It's sturdy. We can stand on it at the same time.
as he said, when we moved here a long time ago, like a year ago, I think, maybe 1-2 years ago, we found out about these. So they were here before we moved. It's pretty cool.
You moved here. You lived in this house before.
Yeah. Alright. Anyway, this is what we call Crystal Kingdom. I don't know why Alex thinks that though. And there's this other little pond.
Yeah, it was when there was a lot of ice there. Not a lot of ice. When it was like snowing, the ice, it formed ice on the thing. So there were like icicles under the rocks. So that's why I named it Crystal Kingdom.
There were icicles like right around there.
I'm gonna go stand on the bridge.
Yeah, so we're not just being like cool. We're actually gonna be filming the whole time we're here, and yeah, we're just gonna be here hanging out.
So let's move over to East Reservoir Lake.
Yeah, we call this the East Reservoir Lake, or North Reservoir Lake.
North Reservoir Lake.
So we have a compass right here.
Yeah, I could tell it without the compass because of the moss trick,
Yeah.
where it's usually facing north.
So that way's north. So we call that North Reservoir because it's basically the water source for that, and we call this the connector.
It's like
Not
enormous.
Crystal Kingdom. Oh yeah, it is. If we come up here, actually, yeah. So if you were here when the ice was there, I actually took a few photos. But you could slide on this, and it was super
so
thick.
cool.
Super deep, super thick, and it goes a lot more that way. So that's there. So what do you want to do, Alex?
I don't know. We could go.
Get the compass back out so we know what direction we're going. That way is west, or southwest, or west, my bad. So if we wanted to travel west that way, we could.
And then that would be east over there.
That
You want
is
to go
east.
explore there? There's a sign.
That way?
Yeah.
No. It's really close to the road. So there's this thing that we're too scared to touch because it has that weird thing right there.
Try and do it.
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't fall in the water.
Wait. Hold on, I'm just gonna. Wait a minute.
Oh God, no.
I gotta look at something real quick. So.
Oh yeah, that was whatever. Continue back to the thing.
Isn't that cool? That was like
Standing on it over there would make it. Show them the dirt stuff. The dirt.
Oh yeah, that. Yeah, that's why we don't want to touch it. That's exactly why
I can
right
stand
there.
on it. I don't know.
You want to stand on it? You want to try it? Let's go for the biscuit.
No, I'm going to fall in the water. I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
This bridge is sturdy.
Yeah, it's just pretty slippery.
Yeah, because it's wet everywhere.
So let's whoa.
Go inside the water.
Oh yeah, here is
That is just so cool.
here, right? We're already down to there. Looks like it's being punched, but it isn't. It starts right there, starts going faster.
I love the noise.
Down into there. You want to try putting something into the water? See what happens?
Oh yeah, let's
See
do
if
that. That'll be fun.
down.
Ooh, like we can craft a little raft.
Oh yes.
Yeah, like oh god, I thought I fell. They got a tiny stick. I don't know.
So yeah, why don't we have a little competition?
Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, Alex, I just had an idea. All right, guys, I'll tell him his idea, but I'll tell you guys first. So you see these little berries? We're gonna get 2 of them. And we're gonna try to make a raft from stuff that we have out here and try to get one of these berries safely down to there. All right, Alex.
Yeah.
I have a challenge.
Yeah.
So you see these 2 berries?
Oh yeah, we have to carry them.
Yeah, we gotta get a raft.
Or
we gotta make a raft.
Small enough to fit in there, because in there that's well, it can survive there. I'm pretty sure. That's like the test of how.
It can. All right. So Alex, here is your berry.
Oh, no, give it to me at the.
You can have it. I'm holding mine. And that is now your responsibility. This is my little berry. My baby
Can
berry.
I just get another one and throw this one? Cause
All right, I'll do that too. Oop. All right. So first we gotta just find some stuff.
I'm using this.
It's pretty hard to do this one-handed, holding my camera. But hold on, what if I did this? Can you guys see? Oh, well, that works out well. Just lift this up a little more, so. All right, let's go. Let's look around. I'm gonna find some twigs. That's the trick. Oh, Alex found something good. If I get this. Oh, God. Whoa, here it is. Now let me try to rip this up into little things. God, it's tough. Oh God, jacket's blocking it. So, what if I put this down somewhere? Camera.
I need some good.
All right. Can you take the camera off, please?
For a second, yeah.
So you can see me. The whole video except for the beginning.
Yeah. There he is. I'll take the camera from here. So this is what I have right now. It's like chopsticks. It kind of looks like it. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna take one of those things because it's softer. So let's go over there. It's a little bit swampy. So what do I have here? I'm gonna hold you guys with this. Let's see. I will take this thing. This seems like a good use to wrap it around. So I'm wrapping this around right now. Hold on. Okay. That's good. This is what I just got. Sorry for being quiet, by the way.
Wow, well, I just found something to trap the berry in. Oh, God.
What?
Here.
Look at mine.
Wow, that's good. Look at this.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, can you take the camera?
Sure. All right, I have the camera now. Here's mine. Nice.
Oh my
shot.
God. Guys, look. I can place the berry in here. In this little...
Oh, you can. If you can.
If I
You
can.
might be able to. I'm just gonna get so it's dry. Whew. Wait a minute. This. I'm gonna figure out a way for this to actually stay in here. Oh. Neat. Okay, so first we're just gonna take this berry out. And we're gonna try to somehow stuff it into somewhere in this mess. So. Oh, wait, what if I can get a little holder for it? Kinda. Apologize if you can't see it. Probably can't, yeah. But alright, what is this at? So I can get this to somehow stay tight. You do?
Hello. Can I... Thanks. Can you move for a second? I want to show them. Look. I tied it together with the thing. And I can open this and I can place the berry in there. And I can close it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Right here. So then the berry fits right in. And these are to leave it to float. But what I think is going to happen that's scary is that it flips over.
Flips over?
Yeah.
Yeah, might.
That's what I'm going to do right now.
Alright, so I'm just going to keep trying to do this. You want a berry to test it out? Alright, I'm going to try to build something with these. I haven't even considered using these, but I will right now. It's like bamboo.
Ouch.
Oh. Alright, let's see if I can somehow engineer something with that. Alright, so I have this right here. Oh, hold on a second. Wait a minute. I'm gonna make it fully enclosed into it. I think I have an idea, but I'm gonna need to test it out. Oh God. Kind of cool, I'm gonna need to test out my idea. This berry. Alright, so let's see. I'm just gonna hold the camera right there. I'll show you if it works. Alright, and here it is. Here's
Look at mine.
mine.
Guys and Brian. It's like a plane, kind of.
Oh, it is.
So I touch the thing. And this is movable. So by the water flow, it will move it. So
Oh,
that's
cool.
how it basically turns.
That's cool. This is mine. It's enclosed in a kind of capsule.
Maybe not. It just broke.
It's like a little jail cell for it.
Oh my god, this thing. It's gonna be so useful.
All right, here it is. So that's. I just want to see. Put in there. I think we'll need another berry and another bamboo stick. What is it called?
Yeah, this is working. I need something new.
The thing is, these are weak. Like, these are really bendable. Like that.
Oh god.
This is hard to take apart,
I know,
to pull
right?
apart, but it's really bendable on the other hand. At the same
But
time.
this is a really good material.
Not on the other hand at the same time.
We're gonna grab this.
Oh, is this going to be a little harder? Oh, no, that's weaker. Okay, well. Wait. Wait.
What?
I have an idea. With this, I really hope this works. I think I'll be able to do it. You want to hold the camera now? Can you?
Come on, I want to test this out.
All right.
Alright.
Like this. All right. 2 seconds. When he's done testing that out, we're gonna swap the camera. He's gonna hold it.
Right there. Now.
Oh no, it's gonna fall out. Oh, it already fell out.
Okay, whatever. I just want to test
The
the.
red berry.
Yeah. Hold on, can we remove that out of there? Yeah.
Can you remove that stuff? That's, yeah. That was from my side.
You know what I think I might do, guys?
Obviously failed.
I think I might grab this. Oh god, that's hard to pull out. I'm gonna.
Alex, I gotta get this back.
I'm gonna.
I have an idea.
Okay. There. I got a good stripped, nice lock. There. Now, what I'm gonna do with this is I want to make it so that it is like good, you know. So I'm gonna take this. Wait, I'm gonna take this, and so what I want it to do is to wrap it around, make it look a little bit more pretty, and it will hold the wood. So I'm gonna wrap it around, not just yet. I'm gonna take a couple more.
All right.
Actually, no, I'm gonna do it right now just to test.
This is my great idea that I might keep. I think we should start actually doing it instead of just testing. Video's 19 minutes already.
Kind of long. But we're still gonna do the longboard thing. Ooh, should we make this a video and then another video? Yeah, let's do that. About the longboard. So
I'm trying to make this an orb sort of thing, so I can just tuck that in there. I think that's what I'll do actually. All right, Alex. Well, I think we should wrap the video up. So, do you think that's your design? Okay, well, I have my final design, Alex. I'm about to do it. All right, Alex? Okay, so I'm doing it now. This is it. Berries in there. Oh no, it just fell out somehow.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, guess I need another berry.
You
And,
can't end the video on this.
and another design. Raft. I'll show you guys this after this is done. Wrap. Oh, a ton of wrapping involved in this design. It's gonna be worth it. No. All right. Here it is. The berries in there somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna drop this now, okay? 3, 4, yeah. 2,
Oh,
1. Where it's going. It's going down there. Oh, it's going out. It's out. It's out.
is the ball
All right, let's get it. Ooh, wow. Here it is. It just went through that.
Is it still in?
Let's see. All right, let's get back up here. Wow, it's soaked. It's soaked and it's freezing. All right, film this, please. All right, make sure they can see it.
The bread will be.
Please be in there. And I see red. I see red. There we go. It's in there.
Oh my God. There's no way he just did that.
And it went through
I guess
that.
there. Choice to surrender because.
Wow, so you want to surrender?
Yeah, I guess because you won, obviously.
All right.
Okay.
Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing if you are not liking.
Yeah. And if you dislike me, then just dislike the video.
All right. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed, please consider subscribing.
We'll make another video about something together.
Yeah.
I promise.
All right. Subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on another video.
Hope you enjoy.